audio checking. If you can't talk, it ain't your fault. Hey, big brother, stop doing all the audio checking. Just talking that duck plugger. Good evening, Mr. Shotgun Willie in the sand pile 806. Click, click. What's up, Nitro? Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, I don't hear no squeal. Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, if you still got a copy, I don't hear no squeal. Hey, Nitro, how was your Thanksgiving? 806 right here, break. Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, it was a blessed one. Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, the family came through. They ate good, drunk good. We had a good time. Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, I even pulled the Glock out and shot it in the air. Click, click. Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, I ain't catch it all. Somebody talking to Mr. Buzzer. Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, 806. Hey, have a good day. I'm getting back on the quiet side. Click, click. I'm up here at the house, Mr. Shotgun Willie. Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, I'm at the house in Amarillo. Hey, Mr. Buzzard, I hear you while you're banking. At the top of Texas, Amarillo. Look up here at the top of Amarillo. Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, you gotta look up here at the top of the Texas. Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, look at the top of Amarillo. Break. Come on. I hear Mr. Buzzer too. Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, come on and swing it around. 806 top side, big horn, break. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, I like to look at a man face to face. Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, you sure in my radio right there. Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, my daddy always told me you look a man in his eye, you give him a firm handshake, and let him know you mean business. Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, 806, top side, big horn, break. Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, it ain't nothing but a ground plane. Now, I can't look at you. That's why I told you to swing on around here. Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, but hopefully next year I can turn mine around and look at you face to face. Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, I thank you for turning around to talk to 806. Click.
Man, look here, they call me a ground plane. I got an old school stop duster. If I switch to it, I may lose you there earlier. I got an old school stop duster, man, but I ain't gonna switch on stand when this car moving.
410, stay right there. You're doing good. Ain't no background singers, all you. And I do got the gate rolling. Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, I do got a gate rolling.
Right on that gate rolling, man. Well, I appreciate it, man. Cause you know where you live here. You know, see, that gate will keep it straight there, right? So I'm putting it on my map. I'm putting your name down upside Amarillo, Texas.
Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, you're putting it down. How you say it? Shoot him before it run now. Shoot him before it run now. Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, 806, say, come on.
You know how it is, man.
Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, I don't know, something Mr. Buzzer was all in there and somebody say we cutting up in the northwest corner. Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, 806, say I'm going to pull back. I hear Mr. Buzzer. They might say we earplugging. I'm gone. Click. Yeah, you know Mr. Buzzard. He one of them old heads. He fly real high and swoop real low. Hey, Mr. Shotgun Wheeler, you know Mr. Buzzard, an old legend.
Yeah, man, sure enough. He was in there, man. He got what you know, Buzzard got tight. He vegetate on you. Hey, don't let a Buzzard want to fight, but when he vegetate on you, you better get out of town.
410. Yeah, when he come through here, Mr. Shotgun Willie, he be having that old pasty white paint, so I have to watch out for him. Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, I have to watch out for Buzzard in that pasty white paint.
Put Roger on that, man. Well, take care, man. I wish you please. 411 with you, man. And I'm going to get this shot back to the slave boy driver. I can get it. Slave boy drivers go.
410, Mr. Shotgun Willie. Have a good day. I thank you for the QSO, and I sure appreciate you swinging that old house of yours around here to talk to this ground plane 806 I got down. Click, click. Bang, bang, bang. Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, are you on JD's? Hey, Mr. Shotgun Willie, are you on JD's? Right. Yeah, I'm recording it for my YouTube. It'll be on my YouTube. Mr. 806 Bighorn Video Gates. I'm finna post it right now.